Thank you so much for watching Tech Nurse. Today I am going to show you how to move your icons on your desktop. If you want to rearrange them in a line, you can drag and hold and move them to where you want. If you want to move them anywhere, you can right-click and hover over where it says View and then click on Align Icons to Grid. Then you will be free to move them wherever you want. That is it. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.